And here in Birmingham, Congresswoman Terry Sewell and Senator Cory Booker pushing back on Alabama's redistricting efforts, hosting a town hall meeting at the Bout tonight.
Your reporter Abby Heyman live from outside the auditorium. And Abby, a lot of other Democratic leaders coming out in support tonight.
Yeah, Brittany, Steve, Birmingham Mayor Randall Woodfin and Democratic candidate for Governor Doug Jones here tonight as well. Their message, the fight for fair representation is not over. Tonight, even Democratic leaders pushing back on Alabama's Republican leaders, fighting hard against what's happening right now in Montgomery, where Governor Ivey called a special session focused on redistricting following a recent Supreme Court ruling. That ruling, critics say, makes it easier for states to draw maps that dilute minority voting power. And Sewell says Alabama Republicans are moving fast to do exactly that. Mayor Woodfin says now is the time to fight back.
We are in a fight of our lifetime, and I expect everyone to get off the sidelines, to get off social media, and join in using your voice, whatever platform you have, and your feet, and your voice, to make sure we call out any form of injustice that's taking place right now, particularly as it relates to this form of political gerrymandering that will dilute minority and black voices in Congress.
Congresswoman Sewell, the first black woman elected to represent Alabama in Congress, reminded the crowd tonight that this fight didn't start today, pointing back to Bloody Sunday, the Voting Rights Act, and decades of struggle that gave black Alabamians a seat at the table.
It saddens me that what they're going to do in this special session is to upend a fair map. And we are not going backwards. We should be going forward. So I'm extending an olive branch to my Republican colleagues to say, do what is fair. Do what is fair. And what is fair is not a 7-0 delegation.
Senator Cory Booker also speaking tonight and telling everyone in Alabama that what happens here during this special session will have consequences for democracy across the country. Your reporter live in Birmingham, Abby Heyman, WBRC 6 News, on your side.
Thanks, Abby.